Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, another day, same story for us here in the central Southern Valley, but last one that we'll be talking about was the temperatures at or below freezing most of the day. That cloud deck that's been sitting right on top of us up to around 1,200 feet is eventually going to get scooped out tonight and tomorrow from a cold front moving through. Now, the caveat to that is that with the rain that front brings, with temperatures below freezing here, especially down, I think, around Eugene and Springfield, there's a chance that early tomorrow, in time for the morning commute, could be dealing with some early freezing rain before it all transitions over to rain too. So that's something we'll be watching real carefully tonight, but I want to sort of put the bug in everybody's ear and make you think about that early tomorrow, especially if you got to get up. Mid-morning commute, we could be dealing with that too. All the outlying areas coast, we'll just see scattered showers. Another nice day out there. Clouds starting to move back in, as you can see. Cottage Grove, our reporting station, have a bit of a fritz there. They're sitting in the mid-30s right now and down to low 40s as you get towards Roseburg. So here's what we've got just to the bottom of the screen there. A little bit of green starting to pop up on the Stormtracker. It's the beginning of the front that will eventually start to swing through and put an end to all of this stagnant air that's been over top of us. Now, because of the threat for freezing rain, we've got a freezing rain advisory. You can see it goes all the way from Portland up towards Kelso down to the southern Willamette Valley here. Starts at 4 a.m., goes through about lunchtime. Best guess for estimates of seeing freezing rain for us here in the valley will be anywhere from around 6 a.m. to 10, 11 a.m. And again, that's going to be peak times for that morning commute. Light accumulations, but it doesn't take much of ice to kind of glaze things over. Temperatures again today here in the valley, very, very chilly, around freezing or below that down in Corval, up in Corvallis, that is. 38 as you got out towards Redmond, mid-40s in Roseburg, 61 in North Bend and Brookings, and low 40s in Portland, finally starting to squeegee out some of that fog. So it'll be rain at the coast, a couple of inches of snow in the mountains. Once we get this front through, though, we're back to the 40s and some scattered showers as these little systems move through. But tonight, another round of freezing fog for us here. I think we'll hold above freezing in Roseburg and certainly out at the coast as the clouds are starting to stream in. Now, the low attached to this is well to the north of us, so it's sort of stretching out this front, and as that slides through, not much happening back in behind that. Little weather disturbance we'll watch for late Thursday evening, but other than that, this is the main concern, is that light freezing rain potential early tomorrow. All switches over to rain by lunchtime and later than that. Another little quick hitter coming through Thursday night into Friday, but boy, oh boy, it'll be nice to at least see some sun breaks here in the southern Willamette Valley, which we've not seen in the better half of well over a week now. So we'll call for morning rain. It'll taper off to scattered showers and sun breaks at the coast by the afternoon. A few isolated ones late Thursday night. Friday into Saturday, I think we've got our best bet of seeing kind of a wet forecast, and then things start to dry out again early next week. Scattered showers on and off tomorrow in the Umpqua because you stay above freezing. It's just rain, no freezing rain. Temperatures holding around 50 for the weekend and some lightly scattered showers both Friday and Saturday. Around 2 to 5 inches of snow in the Cascades. You see those snow lines dropping down to around 3,500 feet, which means folks out in Bend and Redmond and Sisters and out to Sun River will probably get maybe a quick dusting or so. And then again on Saturday. And finally here in the valley, we'll see around 40 to 43 degrees tomorrow, but the freezing rain for the morning commute is going to be the potential here. We've got new model information coming in, should be updated probably within the hour. I'll take a look at it, and we'll certainly make the adjustments for the 11 o'clock tonight, and I'll have it up online as well if we need to.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.